One thing that I want to point out here on the Macintosh is by default the interface looks a little bit different than what you would see on the Windows side. So what I want to do is show you what those differences are, and really you can see those differences right now. And that is, by default, Photoshop will work with a free floating document window. If we come up to the File menu, and from the File menu we choose New, this will open up the New Document dialog box, and you can really specify any dimensions that you want here. If you have a preset, you can go ahead and select one of those. I'll go ahead and choose US paper, and then I'll come over and click OK. Once you do that, you'll notice that the document window is this free floating window. Now, if you're on the Windows side, you don't necessarily have this free floating window. Here on the Mac, if you click in the empty space, you're really accessing the desktop. So that's completely up to you in terms of how you like to work if you want to work in this way. I prefer the document window to be integrated with the overall interface. That can easily be achieved by coming up to the Window menu, and under the Window menu, you can choose the option Application Frame. When you do that, you'll notice that the document window becomes docked within the interface. Now, if you were to compare what you're looking at on the Windows side to what I have here on the Macintosh, they'll be virtually identical. The only other differences that you'll encounter if you are in fact working on the Windows side is here on the Mac, the Preferences command is located underneath the Photoshop menu. When you choose Photoshop, from there you can select Preferences, and then you get a submenu of different categories that you can choose. This same menu structure is available on the Windows side. It's just available under the Edit menu, and it's further down on the Edit menu. It's down here towards the bottom. There's that, and of course, keyboard shortcuts are slightly different. If I use a keyboard shortcut, I'll be certain to point out the keyboard shortcut on the Mac and the Windows side. So no matter what platform you're using, you should be able to follow along without an issue.